This is Safe, and today I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on how to build up your own videos using Biteable.com. So let's get started. If it's your first time to use Biteable, then you have to press on Get Started and create your own account. Here I will just press on Login. Let's press Templates and see what it contains. As we can see, there are thousands of templates. They are even categorized on the left. Here I will choose farewells because I have this coworker who will retire next week and I need to make him a video to cheer him up. Let's choose this template and press edit. And here we go. First of all, we need to add some cheerful colors to the background, so we will press on any point outside the background, and we will choose background color. Let's make it yellow or orange. Next, we will add some elements to the background. If I want to replace this element, I will just choose it and press on replace background. As we can see, there are multiple options. I can add icons, elements, words, or characters. Here I will choose characters, choose people. This is cheerful, let's choose it. However, if I don't want to replace this element and I want to just add another element to it, I will press undo. Then from the left I will choose the same options. I will press graphics, I will choose characters, people, and I will choose this cheerful one. Bingo! Now let's edit on the next slide. I want to add some effects to the text. As you can see here, we can control the font. From here we can control the size of the font, and from here we can control the boldness of the font. There are some other effects including alignment and so on and so forth. Now let's not waste more time and add some colors to our font. I will make this white and I will make this orange, and let's get back to white. From here you can add highlights to your text, but it's too cliche, so I will just press undo. From here you can add text animations, but I will not add them. I'm just showing you the options. Now let's change this image because of course it's not my friend's image. Let's just move the frame so we can control the image on its own. Press on the three dots and just press replace. Here you can add icons, elements, words, characters. You can also choose uploads. Here is the image of my friend. However, it's already here because I uploaded it twice before. However, I'm going to start the process from the beginning in this video, so it's gonna be easier for you to do the same. Let's just press upload, then navigate to our folder and choose the image. Now let's choose it. Fantastic. Then let's just align the image and resize it so the frame will fit. No, just press undo. And now let's move the frame. Perfect. Now let's move on to the next part, in which we will add transitions between slides. You can add transitions from this sign between each two slides. Here you can choose whichever transition you want. Let's choose curtain close. If you want to see how the transition works, you can just press on the play current scene on the bottom. Perfect. I'm pretty satisfied with the other slides. However, if you want to add more space or more slides to your video, there are multiple options. We will go to the first option, which is increasing the timing of each slide. You can increase it from here. You can increase any slide duration you want. You can also add scene from here, from the plus sign. It gives you again multiple options. However, we will just navigate to videos and images, and we will choose images. There are many options here. You may get overwhelmed, so there is a powerful tool here, which is the search bar. You can search on any keyword you want. So let's just write office, teamwork, and search. This is quite nice. Let's add it. Now let's press on return to editor, and here we go. You can also choose the order of your slides the way you want. Anyway, I don't want this slide, so I want just to delete it. Let's press on this arrow sign and choose delete scene. As we mentioned before, if you want to play any specific scene, you will just press on this sign. But since I already finished my video, I want to play it from start to end. So this can be fulfilled from this sign on the bottom. So let's press and watch. That was our episode for today. Thanks for watching, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more hacks and tutorials. And thanks for watching.